Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hello everybody. So learning English has been my passion ever since I could even remember when, until the present time. I grew up watching English cartoon series, movies, variety shows, and even reading English books. As a trainee teacher for more than last 3 years now, I have learned to discover abundance of different various styles and ways of learning English, as well as to teach the language in general. So I always believe that knowledge is meant to be shared, isn't it? However, what I'm here for is to talk and share about this amazing website called Pinterest. I'm pretty much convinced that any of you, or probably all of you who's watching, are aware of the existence of this spectacular website. So, Pinterest, it has always been my great ally in meeting me with aesthetically creative images and ideas that might be very helpful for my life learning activities or simply for the purpose of seeking inspiration through our motivational and building quotes. I also use this website for my searching for teaching materials and ideas. So that's basically what Pinterest are all about and some of the features they got to offer. Why do I choose Pinterest over the rest? Apart from I found it engaging, I also think it's convenient, exploratory, and it's unique. However, there are a few disadvantages coming from this website, such as its limitation of files and availability. Learning revolution has so much altered the way of delivering knowledge throughout centuries, either in pedagogical context or execution of learning activity in general. So in 21st century learning, students no longer adhere to the traditional method of learning. In short, the students must take place in handling and managing their own learning. Students today are more intrigued by the use of visual representation, like Raylia, and not only chalk and talk a tedious and hour-long lecture that would only bore them to death. So Pinterest fascinates students with abundance of interesting and creative photos in numerous forms of portrayals like infographics, posters, and diagrams to help them better understand the intended learning. So that's all. Thank you.